3 passive income ideas for your business. The internet is abuzz with people who are excited about passive income ideas. There are many ways to build such an income stream. These days, however, as a business owner, we need to pick products that are scalable and connected to our line of business. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. The best passive income ideas for your business are digital products. It may seem daunting, but you can start with the easiest of the 3 below and move forward from there. In recent years, many businesses have started doing their own online video training and information webinars and podcasts. Often they are used for customer services and client retention, sometimes to attract new prospects. The easiest way to create your passive income digital products is to recycle something you already have. If you've done any webinars, training podcasts, and still have the recordings, it's time to deep dive into your backup drive and fish them out. They could hold the key to an offer with easy entry into the digital product market. Why not offer your most successful training webinars as a package for €50 or €99? Is there a question your audience often asks? Is there a problem your prospects ask about frequently? Something you hear a lot during sales meetings. Round up some experts that can answer these questions effectively and ask them those same questions. Get some famous faces in your interviews. This will not only lift up your reputation, but association will also give you more credibility. Once you have the interviews, turn them into an ebook plus video interviews, packages, and you'll have a serious sought-after passive income generating product. You may be sitting on a golden egg and you don't know it. Does your company use a blueprint which you have created to service your clients? Do you have a system that can help others or hold industry information that is difficult to find? Then you could have the making of a signature course. This is a training program that distills your knowledge and often sells for 2,000 to 4,000 euros. It is intensive and usually comes with a form or some kind of support for the learners. The only catch is that it takes a fair bit of traffic and some smart funnels to sell this one. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at what is customer acquisition funnels. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.